Okay, so now you're in your Google search, type in stop motion animator for Chrome, and it should take you to these choices. Click on either one, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to click on the first one, stop motion animator. So this is an extension that you can add and should add to Chrome, and you can use this on your Chromebook. Add the app. And then this is the button that it looks like. And when you click on that, it'll open up the application. But you can usually find it up in here where the extensions are. You can click on this little puzzle piece to see what additional extensions you have and find it in your extensions. So if I click on manage extensions, there it is. And then let's see, it's behind this thing. So right there. Let's go bigger. So this is what it looks like, the interface, and it is currently off, but I'm going to turn it on. Let me move some things. So this is my computer camera. Your camera on your Chromebook will be the camera that it uses, and so you're going to have to figure out how to prop up your Chromebook so that it's not laying down, or that you can animate like across the wall or something. But you might have to hold up your Chromebook. So here's my computer, but your Chromebook, you might have to prop it up like this so that it can take an image of whatever it is that you're doing on the surface of a flat surface. But it just might need to take some tape or some sort of rigging to get it to do that. All right, so I'm going to show you what this does. I'm going to click on this on-off button, and when it's on a plus, you can see, oh, sorry, here we go. I'm going to do this and set a pair of scissors right here and click on capture. Click on capture, and then you can see my hand is transparent. This is what's called onion skinning, where you can see the layer on top, a transparent layer, and I'm just going to move the scissors a little bit, turn it a little bit, and then open it, and then capture again, and then move it again so you can see where you're moving from, and then close it a little bit, and then capture, and always move my hand out of the way so that it doesn't get in the shot. So it looks like my scissors are doing this on their own. Capture. So it's kind of like a ghost image moving things around. Let's see. Capture again, and then close it and move it, and then close it and move it. And just capture every time until it's off screen. Okay, so now I can do a playback. So you can see the animation playing. Super simple, easy to do, but this is a really good way to add some animation to your video and your narration.